Travelling by train has just got costlier. In a pre-budget announcement, Railway Minister Pavan Kumar Bansal announced an across-the-board passenger fare hike that will come into effect from the midnight of the 21st of January.
Have decided to effect an increase in the fare hike with effect from 21st of this month.
Railway Minister Pavan Kumar Bansal's pre-budget pinch for the common man travelling by the Indian Railways.
Input costs have increased immensely over this period, and the fares have remained stagnant, or rather there was a little decrease in the lower class fares some time back.
Rail fares are hiked across the board by 10 to 15%, and this is how it is set to impact your budget. If you are travelling by an express train from Mumbai to Delhi, then you have to shell out around 82 rupees more for your sleeper and second class AC ticket, and over 130 rupees more for 3-tier AC and first class AC.
स्लीपर क्लास में किराया बढ़ा जाना बिल्कुल गलत है। एसी में बढ़ाएं क्योंकि वहाँ पे लोग पैसे पे कर सकते हैं। किराया बढ़ा है, हर चीज की महंगाई बढ़ चुकी है, हर चीज की महंगाई बढ़ा चुका है। एक रेलवे ही था जिसको पब्लिक से उम्मीद है कि किराया नहीं बढ़ेगा।
Though the Railways are set to earn over 6,600 crore rupees in the coming year with this hike, the opposition has slammed this fare hike as anti-people.
The hike in railway tariff is concerned, surely it is going to have a cascading effect on the poor common man who are already reeling under the impact of inflation, which is close to 10% as far as food inflation is concerned.
It will hurt the common peoples, it is anti-peoples, and there is other means to increase the revenue of the railway, but without going through the other reason, they have taken the easiest method.
At a time when the common people are suffering due to high prices and inflation, this announcement will lead to cascading impact.
Earlier, the UPA had withdrawn its bold hike under pressure from its then alliance partner, the Trinamool Congress. But this time, Pavan Kumar Bansal making it clear that the government had no other option but to curb railways' losses, and it will stick to its decision. Bureau Report, Times Now.